Timatanga o mātou kaupapa haere ki te whare taonga, the opening of Toi Tamanuhiri at the museum in town, and the day started with us all at Muriwai gathering to jump on the train. Why are we jumping on the train? He whakamaumahara ki te wā o ngā pakanga when our papa, our matua, our uncles came home from the Second World War. The story of our nannies who laid the flag, our Muriwai flag, on the train so the train would stop and our papas would leave the train, depart from the train and come to the marae and tangi for those that didn't make it home. So very significant for us as an iwi. Every time we're on the, when we have a special occasion, we always include the train. Also got to acknowledge Uncle Temple and Hiruini and all those on the railways from the past days, and our families that travelled on the train. It was part of transport into Gisborne and transport to Mahia and transport to Waiata. So a really cool start for the day with all our nannies and the kids and mokopunas as we head to Tūranga for the opening of Toi Tamanuhiri.
Toi Tamanuhiri.